My name's Anna Curfey. I'm one of the family law solicitors at David Gray. Domestic abuse covers a variety of different forms of abuse. It can be just one incident, or there can be a pattern of behaviour. In terms of different types of abuse, there can be physical abuse, which involves hitting, punching and hair pulling. There can be sexual abuse. There can be emotional abuse, such as coercive and controlling behaviour. Examples of this type of behaviour are name-calling, using derogatory words about you, isolating you from family and friends, and not permitting you access to a bank account, such as in the form of financial abuse. If you or someone that you know is in an abusive relationship, we would urge you to contact us to seek legal advice. If you're in immediate risk of danger, please contact the police as your first port of call. If there is a pattern of behaviour over a longer period of time, please contact us so that we can talk to you about what your options are. We can also work with domestic abuse organisations to provide you with practical help and support in terms of your options moving forwards. A non-molestation order is a type of order that the family courts can grant to protect you and your children if needs be. This is a protective order to protect yourself and your children, if needs be, from abusive behaviour. A family court can be asked to grant this type of order for a period of 6 or 12 months, and an application can be made on an urgent basis if that is required. A non-molestation order usually protects a person from harassing and pestering abusive behaviour, threats and unwanted contact from the other party. This can include social media, telephone calls, text messages and emails. An order can also include geographical restrictions, which means that a person can be prohibited from coming within 100 metres of a certain address. Breach of a non-molestation order is an arrestable offence. This means that if the other person does anything which they are not permitted to do, the police can be contacted and the person can be arrested for these behaviours. In urgent situations, we are able to make an application to court on the same day or the following day. In terms of payment for domestic abuse work, legal aid is available. This is both means and merits tested. A means test is undertaken to look at your financial eligibility for legal aid. We will be able to advise you about what documents you need to bring to us so that we can review them and tell you if you are eligible on a financial basis. We'll be able to do this on the same day that you contact us. We will also need to undertake a merits test. We'll be able to give you advice about this once we've taken the details of your call and advise you after this. We have an injunction rota at David Gray, which means that there'll be somebody available every day, Monday to Friday, to give you advice about your circumstances. If you find it difficult to call, you can also contact us via the contact form on our website or send us an email.